Presenting the Truhot solar water heater from VGuard, bringing you hot water even during cloudy days while contributing to a greener environment and saving you money. VGuard Truhot solar water heater, energy efficient and eco-friendly hot water throughout the year. Whenever a customer makes an inquiry at a dealer for a VGuard Truhot solar water heater, the first step is a site visit. The technician will advise the capacity of the water heater needed based on the number of people living in the house and the number of utility points. The system requires a flat roof facing the south for optimal solar energy absorption. The spot has to be free of shade throughout the year. VGuard will ensure a hassle-free delivery and installation of the water heater. VGuard Truhot solar water heater comes in boxes like these. First to be assembled is the supporting stand. Inside, you will find a checklist of all the parts. These GI powder-coated sturdy supports are what hold the system in place year-round. A VGuard Truhot solar water heater comes with all the accessories it needs for a sturdy fit. This is the tank seat. Open the storage tank packaging. Some of the accessories could be stored alongside it. Inside, you will find the installation manual and a checklist. These are the nuts and bolts for the supporting stand. These are the top washers you will need later. First, assemble one side of the tank seat. You can use the attached stand assembly drawing for reference. Attached to the tank seat, its corresponding stand assembly. Attach the base. Once one side is complete, assemble the other side the same way. The system should be installed preferably on a flat roof. The roof should be strong enough to support the weight of the entire system with water. Once both sides are complete, attach these together using these P7 roll-formed supports. Ensure that the nuts and bolts are only loosely tightened for now. Attach the P5 roll-formed support between the left and right sides. Attach these P6 roll-formed supports. Attach the tube support assembly. Attach these P6 roll-formed supports to the tube support assembly. The supporting stand is ready. Next, we have the storage tank. Inside, you will find a user manual and a warranty card. The outer body is made of zinc aluminium. Inside is a glass-lined MS tank. Between these two is a 50 mm thick PUF insulation to keep the heat. The outer body of the tank is made with PPGI to resist corrosion. Place the storage tank on top of the assembled supporting stand. Cut the plastic wrappers. Underneath the storage tank are 4 screws. Unscrew the attached washer and nuts. Rotate the storage tank. All 4 screws need to align with the holes in the tank seat. Replace the washers and nuts. Ensure these are only loosely tightened for now. The heart of a VGuard Truhot solar water heater is the evacuated tube solar collector. The outside surface of the inner glass tube is coated with 3 layers of copper, stainless steel and aluminum nitrate. This is what absorbs and converts all the solar radiation into heat. The space between the two glass tubes is evacuated and permanently sealed off. The vacuum acts as an excellent insulator. It stops the absorbed heat from going back out. Take out the top washers. Prepare a soap water solution. Dip a top washer in the soap water solution. Insert it onto the top of an evacuated tube solar collector. Dip the top of the evacuated tube solar water collector into the soap water solution. This will help slide the tubes in easily. Insert the tubes at either end of the Truhot solar water heater. Now tighten all the nuts and bolts. Insert all the remaining evacuated tube solar collectors. Push in all the top washers for a tight fit. These are two safety measures to be taken on the plumbing side. The first is a non-return valve at the inlet. The second is an air vent at the outlet. Ask the plumber to make connections at the inlet as seen here. Use Teflon tape and solvent gum as necessary. The VGuard Truhot solar water heater can handle both hard and soft water. Connect the overhead storage tank through a non-return valve. Pay attention to the direction the water can flow in. The horizontal non-return valve ensures hot water does not flow back into the overhead storage tank. Attach a CPC. Connect the overhead storage tank through a ball valve for ease of maintenance in the future. The second safety measure is at the outlet. An air vent pipe has to be placed right beside the outlet. Ask the plumber to make connections at the outlet as seen here. Attach a CPC. There should not be any ball valve or flap valve at the outlet. Fix a T connector. Make an air vent like this. It should go straight up. Connect the pipes for the hot water to flow into the house. The air vent pipes should be supported. It should not be bent or placed far from the water heater. It should reach the same level as the air vent of the overhead tank. The total height of the water heater should be at least 150 mm below the bottom of the overhead storage tank. Also, the maximum height difference between the solar water heater inlet and the overhead storage tank should be 4 meters. For safety, cover the evacuated tubes after installation. This prevents dry heating of the tubes. Turn on the water supply to the water heater the night after the installation or early in the morning the next day. Ensure that there are no leaks. For overcast days, the VGuard Truhot solar water heater can have a backup heating coil as an optional purchase. Embrace the power of solar energy. Bring home a better tomorrow with VGuard Truhot solar water heaters.